Hi guys, HackerMap here, and today we are going to learn how to set up proxy chains and to stay anonymous over internet. So let us start by understanding what proxy chains are. Proxy chains are series of proxies that provides you anonymity or keep you anonymous over internet. It provides anonymity for everything you do on net, whether it is doing Nmap scan or attacking any target. These are free proxies and provide multiple proxies to you. So the next question what arises is, what is the difference between proxy and proxy chains? Proxy basically anonymize your HTTP connection or web connection when you browse anything using your browser, whereas proxy chains anonymize anything you do over net or anything which requires internet or network. So now let us understand how proxy chains work in order to get it clear what are proxy chains and how does it work. So the proxy chains uses Tor for providing anonymity, and how does it work is basically your default IP address get jumps from your default IP address to proxy 1, then to proxy 2, then to proxy 3, then to proxy 4, then to the site you want to visit. So this is how proxy chains work, and this is what proxy chains actually are. Now let us move on to configure our proxy chains file. For that we will be using this command, that is proxy chains chains dot okay chains dot conf. Conf over here is extension for configuration of any file. Okay, this is our proxy chain configuration file. So the first thing you are going to encounter over here is these small hashtags. These are basically the comments which are used to comment out the programs which are not being used. As you can see over is dynamic chain, strict chain and random chain. Dynamic chain, as the name suggests, are the ones which provides us with multiple proxies, whereas strict chain decides only one proxy and over the internet you serve with this proxy only. And random chain, as the name suggests, provides you with the random IP address. The next thing you are going to see over here is this HTTP SOCKS 4 SOCKS 5 tunneling proxifier with DNS. What HTTP basically means over here is, it means that it will provide proxy for anything you do using your browser, not for anything which requires your internet. SOCKS 4 is quite unpopular, so we are not going to use in this tutorial, and SOCKS 5 is the one we are going to use in this tutorial. So next thing I would like to tell over here is this proxy DNS request no leak for DNS data. So what is DNS leak? Let us understand that first. DNS leak refers to the security flaw that allows DNS requests to be revealed to ISP DNS server despite using VPN or proxy chain to attempt to conceal them. So let us understand this by an example. Suppose you are using a VPN or proxy chain, but you have not configured your DNS leak, and you browse to YouTube and you search for YouTube, let's say. Now when you are on the YouTube screen, what YouTube will do over there is, it will log your IP and the location from where you are using, then it will move on to DNS leak test. After your IP is logged, what YouTube will do over here is, YouTube will move on to DNS leak test, and the result will determine that if you are using proxy or not. And as we have not configured our DNS leak prevention, it will determine that we are using the proxy, and it will record or log our original location from where we are accessing YouTube. So it is quite important for us to use DNS leak protection in order to stay total anonymous over internet. So what we are going to do, I will show you first how DNS leak works. For that we have to add this SOCKS 5 127.0.0.1 9050. This is basically port number for Tor, and we are going to first comment out this random chain. Okay, here it is done, and we are going to use our dynamic chain. This is just for showing how DNS leak basically works. To save, use Control O, enter, and then Control X. Now use sudo proxy chains Firefox and google.com. Now once our window starts, okay, we have not started our service, Tor service. Let us start the Tor service first. Tor start. Okay, it will definitely take time as it is jumping over multiple IP address, And what we are going to do over here is we are going to test for our DNS leak. Now to do that, just type DNS leak test. Okay, wait. Now click on the first thing you get. Okay, click on the standard test. It will definitely take some time. Now as you can see over here is, in spite of using dynamic chain or proxy chains, the country which is shown over here is India and the ISP is Airtel. So this does not provide us with total anonymity. Now let us configure our file, that is proxy chain file, with DNS leak and see what happens. Okay, just remove these comments, save the file, Ctrl X, and again start the browser. And now go for DNS leak test. Now go for standard test. It will take some time. Let us wait. Yes, it is over. As you can see, the country over shown over here is United States, US, and ISP is not shown. So it provides us with total anonymity. Now let's go for extended test and see what happens. So it will be taking some time, so I'm pausing the video and I'll be back once it is done. So here it is done, and you can see, as you can see over here is all the ISP is level 3 communication and country is US. So it is providing me with total anonymity. So this is how you can stay anonymous over internet. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.